Hey everyone, today we will be delving into how to ensure a highly effective influencer marketing campaign. If you are looking to harness the power of influencers to boost brand awareness, build reputation, and reach wider audiences, you have come to the right place. In this guide, we will walk you through 7 crucial steps to ensure your influencer marketing campaign is not only successful but highly effective. These steps will help you create a seamless collaboration between you and your influencers. So, let's dive right in and learn how to master influencer marketing. Step number 1. Authentic content creation. The foundation of influencer marketing is authenticity. To ensure your campaign resonates with your audience and remains authentic, follow these steps. Empower creative freedom. Authenticity thrives when influencers have the creative freedom to express themselves. Allow influencers to create sponsored content that aligns with their unique style and connects with their audience. Avoid overmanagement. While maintaining oversight is crucial, avoid micromanaging influencers. Trust them to convey your brand message authentically. This doesn't mean giving up control, but rather allowing influencers to work their magic within guidelines. Step number 2. Data-driven decision-making. In the fast-paced world of influencer marketing, data is your compass. To make informed decisions, follow these steps. Monitor metrics. Keep a close eye on campaign metrics to understand what is working and what is not. This data-driven approach empowers you to fine-tune your strategies for better results. Identify high-performing content. Work closely with influencers to identify the content that resonates most effectively with your audience. Analyze the factors contributing to campaign success. Harness influencer marketing tools. Simplify metric tracking with specialized influencer marketing tools. These platforms offer valuable insights, analysis, and predictive capabilities. Consider using platforms like Influencity. Step number 3. Foster long-term partnerships. Think beyond one-off sponsored posts and focus on building enduring relationships with influencers. These relationships can be mutually beneficial. Here is what to do. Cultivate long-term collaborations. Long-term collaborations result in higher content quality and open doors to exciting opportunities. Explore brand ambassadorships, product partnerships, and more. Build trust-based relationships. Show influencers that you trust them completely. This trust is reflected in their content and transforms them into lifelong brand advocates who genuinely love your product or service. Define your influencer marketing budget. Setting a well-defined influencer marketing budget is essential. Here is how to do it. Consider multiple budgetary factors. Evaluate factors like the influencer's reach, chosen platform, content quantity and type, content creation timelines, and agency-related expenses. Assess content varieties. Different content formats come with varying costs. For example, video content is often pricier than photo feed posts. Instagram stories offer a cost-effective way to engage your audience efficiently. Factor in supplementary expenditures. Don't forget additional expenses like product reviews, giveaways, or influencer participation in events. This should be part of your budget calculations. Analyze prior collaborations and content. Examine an influencer's past campaigns and content. Ensure their past promotions align with your brand's objectives and values. Seek expertise. Look beyond influencer popularity and consider influencers with industry expertise. Specialized knowledge adds credibility to your campaign and resonates deeply with your target audience. In conclusion, influencer marketing has transformed the marketing landscape. By following these 7 essential steps, you can optimize your campaigns and ensure a highly effective collaboration with your chosen influencers. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to excel in your influencer marketing campaigns and avoid common mistakes. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on to the next one.